Today we are in Croydon in London. We speak to some local police community support officers, then we go down to Surrey Street Market where I get myself a right little deal, and then after that we go to Boxpark. This is a really great episode. It goes a little bit like this. Good morning everybody, I'm in a lovely little place called Croydon. That's right, I'm here in London. I've just finished a couple of shows on the neighbouring town. So I'm near Croydon, I thought let's come out, check it out and see what Croydon is all about. So a little bit about Croydon. I was a bit apprehensive about coming to this place and vlogging, and here's the reason why. When Croydon named as London's most dangerous area, okay, and that was from February 2026, and that was from the Sutton Guardian. Let's have a look at some of the other things. Young people out of hand, this is what it says in the inside Croydon. In another on the Sky News, in one of London's most dangerous areas, that being Croydon. So I'm here, I'm gonna have a little look around and see if this place is as bad as they say it is. Hi mate, you alright?
I'm good, are you?
Yeah, good, not too bad. Are you work here?
Yes.
What is Croydon like as a place? Is it a nice place or?
Yeah, Croydon's a nice place, yeah.
Is it a nice place? Oh, good stuff, lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely, nice to meet you buddy, take care. Hi mate, you alright? Yeah. You gave me a fright then?
Were you security man?
No, he's around though. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Yeah, it's not a taser. No, don't be silly. No. What are you doing? Have you just doing some?
No, I'm not doing nothing. I was counting my money to put this up. I've got a load of change from my bag, so I've got a load of change.
Right, you're just counting your money.
Okay. I've got my rubbish in there, so I won't do nothing.
Yeah, no, fair enough. What's it like Croydon then to begging? Is it?
It's shit, but I'm homeless, so.
Yeah.
But yeah, no.
No, I'm not filming you to like, mug you off or anything. So.
I'm just sitting here, sir.
Yeah. No, fair enough. Yeah. All right, no worries. Well, do you want me to leave you be or? Yeah. All right.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Robert.
Robert. Nice to meet you, Robert. I'm David. Take care, buddy. See you later. So one of the things it said to do when I was on ChatGPT was to go and have a little look at the museum, also Boxpark as well. We're going to have a look at that later on, but I'm going to head up to the museum now. It's at the top of the street. But yeah, I'm on the high street. It's a few characters, as you can imagine. But yeah, I'm just going to show you what I see. But yeah, heading up to the museum now, which should be up here, and we'll just go and take a little look about what it has to offer at the Museum of Croydon. Guys, it's right if I just ask you, I've got my camera on, just I want to let you know.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Yeah, no, cool.
Okay.
What is it like is Croydon a nice place to live or?
Well, I can't form an opinion. I think it's how I find it personally. It's got a bit bad reputation.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong. Obviously, like it's all crimes every borough in London.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's got great food places. I think the police are trying to work to get hold of the social behaviour, general crime. You will see problem with police officers on the streets now. So
right.
I've got good hope for the future.
Yeah, good hope for the future.
I think it's what you need from Croydon. You can go. If you're in these shops, it's an amazing place to shop. You've got almost everything in Croydon what you need. So.
Okay, look.
Yeah,
nice.
and then we're trying our best.
Super friendly PCSO there. Bless her. She was obviously trying to be careful what she said and want to sort of talk badly of the place, and she was being positive, and that's kind of what her job's about, really, I suppose. Engaging and being positive about things and bringing down antisocial behaviour that she said. But yeah, I'm going to go and have a little look at the museum. It should be up here. Excuse me, is there a museum around here? A museum? No. Museum? Yeah. Croydon Museum? No. No. Is it by the tower place? No.
Which location?
Right, I'll go, it says it was the Museum of Croydon, Catherine Street.
Under that side.
Lovely. Thank you so much. Cheers, buddy. So again, I'm having problems trying to find where this museum is. If you've been in any of my other vlogs, I always try, that is my sort of thing is I never find the museums in the local towns, but they said it was up Catherine Street, but I'm not sure if this is Catherine Street. But who knows? We'll carry on looking. Hopefully we'll come across it. It's got to be around here somewhere. Do you know where the museum is at all? Croydon Museum?
No.
Do you know where it is? It's in the library. Okay. Is that then?
Go to the end, see where the pub is there,
Yeah.
the grey pub. Just turn left, immediately turn right.
And it's there.
It's where the clock tower is.
That's what it said, yeah, it said the clock tower, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you live around here, do you? Or?
Yeah, I do, and you can't miss the clock tower.
No,
It's
okay.
big,
Okay.
it's showing the time.
Yeah,
You know.
yeah, no. Is it a nice place to live, is it, Croydon? Or how long have you lived here for? 40 years. Oh, you'll have seen definitely a different change over the time.
Yeah, they're trying to, the town centre's a bit iffy, but it's, they're working hard.
Yeah.
Improving it. And this where the tram goes.
Okay.
It's the very, very old market, Surrey Street
Okay,
Market.
I saw that as the entrance to that
that's
one there.
right,
Yeah,
through
yeah.
the veg.
Thank you so much. So we're at the clock. In fact, I think I've managed to find the museum after speaking to that lady, but she said it's by the clock tower, so it should be just here. But yeah, what a fantastic building here in Croydon. Let's have a little, flick the camera around, you can have a little look. But yeah, beautiful old building here in Croydon. That's the clock tower. But yeah, what a fantastic, interesting building. Let's see if we can go inside the museum, go in the library, and hopefully get into this museum and have a little look around. Right, super lovely building, really nice inside. Not what I was expecting, to be fair, but yeah, we're going to go up the level now to level 1 where the museum is, and I'll probably won't be talking too loud, or maybe I will, who knows, I'll read the room. But yeah, here we are, the Museum of Croydon. What day is it? Ah, it's shut. Oh no. Oh, there we go, the Museum of Croydon. It's a Monday, unfortunately. Well, me and museums, I think I'm jinxed. I don't think I've ever actually successfully been to one just yet, although I've tried in many of my other videos. Definitely Sittingbourne one, couldn't find it there. Snodland in Kent. But yeah, I think I'm jinxed. But if anyone's been to this before, leave a comment, tell me what it's like. Is it worth visiting? But this is in the library in Croydon. Don't worry, there's nobody reading books around here. I'm being nice and quiet. Right. Let's get out of here and go and check out some of those other places that I've been told to visit. I always like to visit the memorial statues in all of the towns. But yeah, this is a beautiful statue that I've never seen them like this before, especially with the people on the side. But yeah, real nice way to remember fallen of both those wars. Right, let's go check out a bit more of Croydon.
First time was a throw up from a back and I signed a deal.
So one of the things it said to do on ChatGPT was have a little look at Surrey Street Market. So here we are, we're going to have a little look around and see what stuff you can buy here in Surrey Street Market. Wow, this one here's got a queue for it, bless him. They must be, it's really nice to see people actually buying it from a market and not from a supermarket, and so he's supporting these small business owners. But yeah, traditional way to buy it, I suppose, from a fruit and market stall. But yeah, I like the way they lay them out in the bowls, and I suppose each bowl is probably individually priced, I imagine. This guy wants serving.
£1 is my friend.
No. £1. So I've just come across this one. I think that says 5 for £1. We'll see. And that's avocados. That is a serious bargain. I'm going to see if that's right. If it is, I'm going to get myself some, because yeah, 5 for £1 is definitely cheaper than Aldi and Lidl and Tesco's and whatnot. Let's find out. Excuse me, is it 5 avocados for £1? Is it? Is that right? 5. That is a deal, that is a bargain, yeah. So here we are, Surrey Street Market, 5 avocados for £1. That is a serious deal. I will pay with cash as well. Christ. Just drop it on my mate. It's not very easy to do with one hand on a camera. Right, let me put that pound. Sorry, there you go. Lovely. Thank you, my love. Thank you. Lovely. So any good squidgy ones? That's what you want, didn't you? Here we go. So and if one more, he looks good. Thank you so much. What's this name of this market stall? No. Right, okay. Thank you very much. 5 for £1. I'm well happy with that bargain. Well, I didn't think I'd be buying avocados today here in Croydon, but why not? 5 avocados, a little bit hard, but you know, I'm guessing they'll be absolutely fine. Give them a few days on the counter and they'll soften up. Right, that's my food shopping done. So when I looked up what areas are unsafe, it came up with this place we're going to go to now. It actually says here, shopping centre. It records the highest volume of crimes in the borough. A majority of incidents here are shoplifting, theft and public order offences. Well, let's go and have a quick look and see, well, one of the top areas that are unsafe here in Croydon, and let's see what my experience is all about. Let's go. Right, here we are at that shopping centre. Let's go and see what my experience is, see if it is as dangerous and as crime-ridden as it says on the internet. Well, that's me. Had a walk around the Central Shopping Centre, or Central, I don't know how it's pronounced. It's got an E on the end, so I don't know. Am I doing it wrong? You tell me. But from my view today, it's been all right. My experience, had a little walk around, and so yeah. So plot thickens maybe why people are on their best behaviour today and there was no problems in the shopping centre, because right outside, looks like the police are having a community engagement event. So there's loads of officers standing on the side having a chat with people, which is really nice to see. So we are in this central bit here, and this was the other shopping centre that they said, which is the Wit gift area. Again, one of the places where a lot of crime would happen. But yeah, hopefully things been well behaved today, so that's all good, but partly because the old bill are just there right out. Okay, we're going to try and head up to Boxpark now and perhaps get some food. It's getting a bit, starting to rain actually a little bit, but I think we are near where we want to be, the Boxpark area. I don't know if it's inside or out. I'm going to find out soon. So yeah, should hopefully just be here up on the left. Right, here we are at Boxpark. It's absolutely bucketing it down, but yeah, come at the right time, because yes, it does have a bit of protection on. But yeah, let's go inside and have a little look in Boxpark. Thank you, mate. That's brilliant. Cheers, buddy. So what's Boxpark like? Is it any good?
Yeah, it's a really cool place. You know, you've got you can scan here and just buy any food that you want. There's food from all around the world, and sit and chill with your mates. It's our daughter's birthday, so we're celebrating that today.
Bless you, nice one.
Jumped on a jerk chicken.
£10 for the jerk chicken. No, nice one. Yeah, banging.
Not too bad. You know, today's standards in London.
Would you have it again?
This one, I really would like some fresh coleslaw with it, but yes, it was really tasty. And
that's my fault, because you had the choice.
No.
He's ordered the wrong thing for you.
You had the choice of coleslaw or rice and peas, so I went rice and peas.
I really wanted, that's why I ordered it.
Oh, and then they're going to have a fight now once I've left. Well, enjoy the rest of your food, and nice to bump into you. Okay. And when I stick this on there, you'll see it on YouTube and stuff. Take care, guys. So there we have it, Boxpark, loads of different foods from around the world. You've got Thai food, churros, Vietnamese food, burgers, Western food. But yeah, I think everything's fairly reasonable, about £10, £12. Order at the table, it'll come to you. So yeah, Boxpark, definitely a worth place to go and have a little look around if you are hungry. I need to get back to my vehicle. I've only kind of tended to be here for like 2 hours. It's already creeping over that, so I need to get back. But yeah, Boxpark here in London, in Croydon, definitely worth a visit. So yeah, right, let's go and head back to my car park where I've parked the car. I need to start thinking about heading home myself because I'm actually heading to Greece tomorrow where I'm performing over there. So yeah, I need to get out of here. But I've had a good look around Croydon and yeah, seen lots of cool things. Like most places, it's got good and bad. I must admit, a lot of people, they seem to be keeping themselves. They've got their hoodies up and, you know, I've experienced that before in London. But yeah, it's not been too bad. Right, that's all from me here in Croydon. I'm going to head back. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in another town. Take care.